For today's video ay ating pag-aralan ang rule number 18. Rule number 18, who is used when the antecedent is a person. That is used to refer to either persons or things. And which is used to refer to anything except persons. Ayan. So that's rule number 18. So this video is in connection to the last video that we have about relative pronouns. So relative pronouns talks about rule number 18. So here, so nakaspecify ang tatlong relative pronoun na who, that, which. Yan, gagamitin natin ang who at whom kapag ang ating tinutukoy ay tao. At gagamitin naman natin ang that as a relative pronoun or ang relative pronoun na that kapag ang ating tinutukoy ay pwedeng tao or pwedeng bagay. At which naman ang ating gagamitin na relative pronoun kapag ang ating tinutukoy ay anything maliban sa tao. Ayan lang mga palangga, sana po ay may natutunan. Please like, share, and subscribe. Thank you!